Hey guys, I'm going to continue with my experiment regarding friction fire, this time switching to hand drills. I've got a couple of different sets, different timbers. The conditions are very similar as what we did in the bow drill, except it has been raining actually. I just had to wait for a shower to finish, and I'm just looking for a little cave that's down here, just in case it starts raining again. Quite slippery actually. There we go. So I have wrapped my hearth boards in a fur to try and keep it dry in the rain. So, alright, so what I'm going to do is we're going to start friction fire with hand drill using a hearth board of quite soft Xanthorrhea and a drill of Lantana. So let's see how we go. I've put a little piece of leather actually down here. I knew I was going to come to this sandy cave, so I've specifically brought a piece of leather. Okay, I have pre-prepped V and also bedded in a hole. I didn't want to start from scratch because that's going to take too long. But I'll just take a little bit of material off here. I'm really hoping that the moisture hasn't got in, because this is very, very damp conditions. It was literally pissing down 10 minutes ago. Okay, I'll start with this hole here. So I'm just going to bed it in, warm the drill up. It shouldn't be squeaking, but we'll see how we go. Okay, we'll just let that consolidate. It's very, very moist here. Very moist. But fortunately, the coal has consolidated. It started to glow red. So, actually I'll just leave it a little bit longer, because it's very, very moist. But you can see here that we've got a coal. So that was Lantana on soft Xanthorrhea. So I'll just see if I can...